Muthoni wa Mukiri has now finally revealed that she is expecting her first baby na akorwo akirekereria mbica ĩno thaka mũno showing off her baby bump and she looks lovely, akiuga blessings upon blessings, baby loading. For those on a similar journey or hoping to get on the same journey, may God protect and guide you. Have a blessed day ahead. Na immediately akorwo akiumbũra ndeto ici mafans ake makorwo makĩyumĩria na njĩra nene mũno kuga nĩma all along they were right tondũ nĩmarakoretwo magĩsuspect atĩ Muthoni wa Mukiri is pregnant, no ke ndarakoretwo akiumbũra ndeto ici, but now she has finally revealed it. Na Helen Mso auga wow, congratulations Jeff Kuria, congratulations Muthoni, Aunty Jemima, congratulations Nyambura Akafue, congratulations love, Doria Chege, congratulations Muthoni, Willis Raburu, congratulations Miliwa Jesus, congratulations Jamila Mohammed, congratulations Rach Gitao, beautiful mama. Nĩ ndeto ciakenererwo mũno na tukamwendithĩria all the best mena mwendwa wake as they start new journey, the parenthood journey. No otogo Muthoni wa Mukiri akorwo akiuga it is blessings upon blessings. Congratulations once again.